My dear precious child, God is speaking to your heart right now. Chosen one, listen carefully, because this is the season everything changes. I am not just sending a little encouragement. I am sending a divine shift, a heavenly turning point. You've waited long, cried long, hoped in silence, and held on when others let go. You've stayed faithful when it would have been easier to walk away. You kept believing in me when things didn't make sense. That's why this message is for you, chosen one. This is not for everyone. This is for the one who stayed, for the one who fought spiritual battles that no one else could see, for the one who trusted even when trembling. You didn't give up, and that's why I'm showing up. I am not slow in my promises. I am precise. I am intentional. I am exact. Chosen one, this is your divine moment. You are entering into a season that will not look like the one you just left. The tears, the pain, the waiting, the loss, they are all being turned around. I am about to do something so new, so deep, so beautiful, that it will shock even you. The world tried to label you as forgotten. The enemy tried to convince you that your prayers were empty. But I, the Lord your God, say to you, I have seen everything, every seed you've planted, every sacrifice you've made, every hidden act of kindness, every tear you've cried in your pillow. I have not ignored you. I have stored your prayers in heaven like treasure. And now, chosen one, I am unlocking the storehouse. What you thought was delayed is being delivered. What you thought was dead is coming back to life. What you thought was lost is being returned. You are not who the enemy says you are. You are not who your past says you are. You are who I say you are. And I say you are a chosen one. I have set you apart for a reason. I have hidden you in plain sight for this very season. You weren't overlooked. You were being overshadowed by my protection. I've been keeping you, guarding you, training you for something greater. While others were rushing ahead, I was growing your roots deeper. I was making sure when the wind blows, you will not break. Chosen one, this is a divine season. This is not just a change of circumstances. This is a change of atmosphere, a change in direction, a change in mindset, a change in how you walk, talk, think, and live. Everything is shifting. You will look back and not recognize the version of yourself who thought it would never happen. You will remember how close you were to giving up, and you will thank me that you didn't. I know it's been hard. I know you've questioned me. I know there were nights you wondered if I even heard you. But chosen one, I never stopped listening. I never stopped loving you. I never stopped working in the background of your life. When it was quiet, I was speaking in a whisper. When it was dark, I was watching over you. When it felt like nothing was happening, I was moving mountains in the spiritual realm. Just because you didn't see it, didn't mean I wasn't doing it. This is your confirmation. This is your divine announcement. Something big is coming. Not because of luck, not because of who you know, but because I, the Lord your God, have declared it. What I speak cannot be undone. My word will not return void. When I say it's time, it's time. And chosen one, it's your time. You won't have to fight for this breakthrough like before. You won't have to beg for it or chase it down. It will find you. It will knock on your door. It will come with favor, with clarity, with purpose. The struggle was preparing you. The battle was building you. The delay was developing you. Now the blessings will overtake you. Chosen one, stay close to me. This is not the time to be distracted. This is not the time to look to the left or the right. This is the time to keep your eyes on me. I will guide your every step. I will speak to your heart. I will reveal things in dreams, in quiet moments, in unexpected places. Stay sensitive to my spirit. Do not dismiss the signs. I am speaking louder than ever before. The attacks that came against you recently were not random. They were a sign of your elevation. The pressure was confirmation of the promise. The resistance meant your promotion was near. The enemy doesn't waste his weapons on people who pose no threat. But chosen one, you are a threat to darkness. That's why you've been under fire. That's why it felt like everything was going wrong at once. But the fire didn't burn you. It refined you. It purified you. And now you are emerging stronger, wiser, bolder. I am proud of you, chosen one. You've grown in ways you can't even see yet. You've developed a strength in the spirit that cannot be shaken. You've built a foundation in faith that cannot be moved. Now you are ready to carry what I've prepared for you. Don't compare your season to others. What I'm doing in you is unique. What I'm birthing through you is sacred. Some won't understand. Some will question it. Some will even walk away. Let them go. I have new connections waiting for you. Divine alignments. People who will speak life, stand with you, and grow with you. I am bringing you into rooms where your name has already been spoken. I am opening doors that only heaven could unlock. Chosen one. I know your heart. I know your motives. I know your desire to please me. And I'm honoring that. I'm rewarding that. Your pure heart has reached my throne. And now I'm releasing favor that no man can take away. Get ready. You're going to see me move in ways you never imagined. Prayers you forgot you prayed are about to be answered. Dreams you laid down are being resurrected. Promises you held on to in tears are now coming to pass. This is not hype. This is not emotion. This is my word, chosen one, and I do not lie. I do not tease. I do not play with your hope. I am the God who keeps his word. I am the God who finishes what he starts. I am the God who turns mourning into dancing, ashes into beauty, and brokenness into purpose. I'm healing what was shattered. I'm restoring what was stolen. I'm multiplying what little you had. I'm redeeming lost time. I'm giving you double for every disappointment. I'm giving you peace in place of panic. I'm giving you clarity instead of confusion. Chosen one, you are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are exactly where I want you. Everything you've been through has led to this season of fulfillment, this season of joy, this season of fresh oil, fresh fire, fresh wind. You will not recognize your own life in a few months. The transformation will be that deep, that real, that undeniable. And it won't just bless you. It will bless everyone connected to you. Your testimony will give hope to others. Your breakthrough will inspire others to believe again. I'm using your life as proof that I am still God, that I still move, that I still restore, that I still bless the faithful, that I still raise up chosen ones to carry my glory. You are not weak. You are not finished. You are just getting started. And I'm going to use you in ways you never expected, not because you're perfect, but because you're surrendered, because you said yes when it was hard, because you stayed faithful when no one else did, because you love me even when you didn't understand my plan. Chosen one, you carry something powerful inside you, a light that can't be dimmed, a purpose that can't be stolen, a calling that can't be canceled. That's why I'm elevating you. That's why I'm promoting you. That's why I'm surrounding you with angels and pouring out my spirit in fresh measure. The wait is over. The shift is here. The door is open. The time is now. Chosen one, step into it. Step into joy. Step into victory. Step into destiny. Step into the season where everything changes. And remember this: no eye has seen, no ear has heard, no mind has imagined what I have prepared for you, because you love me. Hold your head high, walk in confidence, keep your heart pure, keep your spirit humble, and keep your eyes on me. Because this is the season, chosen one, where everything changes. And I, the Lord your God, have spoken it, and what I speak will surely come to pass. My dear, precious child, God is speaking to your heart right now. Chosen one, this is your final warning and your holy invitation. This is the season everything changes. Do you feel that in your spirit? That stirring deep inside your soul is not your imagination. It's me. It's the sound of heaven moving. It's the sound of chains breaking. It's the sound of your name being declared in the courts of heaven. The enemy has heard it. Hell has heard it. And now I need you to hear it. Your season has shifted. What was delayed is about to be delivered. What was broken is about to be restored. What was lost is being returned with increase. I am the God who makes all things new. Chosen one, this is the moment I built you for. This is the reason I let the storm come, because I knew it wouldn't break you, it would shape you. I knew the fire wouldn't consume you, it would refine you. I knew the wilderness wouldn't destroy you, it would reveal you. You survived what should have ended you. You rose when others fell. You endured what would have made many quit. And now it's your time to be revealed. I am sending fresh oil on your hands. I am placing my anointing on your words. I am stretching your territory. I am sending angels before you. I am causing what once resisted you to now open up to you. Doors will open not by your might, not by your name, but by my Spirit. Get ready for divine reversals. Get ready for supernatural settlements. Get ready for heaven to touch earth in your life. Chosen one, I am about to embarrass the plans of the enemy. Every word cursed against you, I am reversing it. Every trap laid before you, I am destroying it. Every tongue that rose against you in judgment, I am silencing it. I am your defender. I am your shield. I am your fortress. Now watch me prove myself in your life. You won't have to explain this next miracle. It will be so clear, so sudden, so divine that even your enemies will say, "Surely the Lord is with them." Chosen one, do not be afraid of this change. Do not hold on to the familiar out of fear. I'm not calling you to comfort. I'm calling you to greatness, and I will be with you every step of the way. Take the step. Speak the word. Write the vision. Pray the bold prayer. Walk through the open door. This is your season of fire, your season of favor, your season of divine fulfillment. This is not a maybe. This is not a someday. This is now. Chosen one, lift your hands and receive it. This is the season everything changes. Heaven has moved. Your name is written. The blessing is coming. The waiting is over. You are the chosen one, and nothing will be the same again. God has spoken, and it is done. Subscribing is not enough, chosen one. Click the bell icon and set it to all so that every message reaches you first.